Hey boo-boos. So today I'm going to be doing some Monday motivation talk. I have a new course coming out, how to scale your lash business to 6 figures in the quickest amount of time, obviously with tried and true methods that I've used on myself and on many of my students. I also have a product development how-to handbook coming out, which is essentially how to start your own lash product line and make sure you just get the best of the best, and it just simplifies the entire process. So I wanted to take a couple of tips from my how to scale your lash business to 6 figures course and just share some gems with you right now, because I feel like a lot of people see, successful salon owners and digital entrepreneurs and are like, how do I get there? So the thing is, when you're scaling your lash business, you really in the beginning have to put in the work. And I can't express how many lash appointments I did and how many years and years I was just like very, working very humbly and very quietly, back-to-back appointments, missing summer. The beginning of your lash business is really the grind, where you need to find clients by every means possible, handing out business cards, making TikToks, being on Instagram, Twitter, whatever you need to do to reach people. Reach is key. The thing about being a lash tech is, for you to get to that point where you're making really good money, you're gonna spend 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day in your house, in your condo, in your studio doing lashes, and you have to be okay with the fact that you're gonna have to put your head down, miss some summers, miss some events for the greater good of your business. When I look back at my life, I remember those days were so long. I enjoyed it. I made the most of it, don't get me wrong.